Senate President Francis Escudero clarified that no impeachment trial can take place while the Senate is on break, as a session is required to convene the impeachment court. The Senate adjourned yesterday and will resume on June 2, making it the earliest date for any trial proceedings. Escudero underscored that while a special session could be called, it would only be for passing important legislation, not for impeachment. He also stated that the Senate will act impartially in the impeachment process, ensuring fairness without rushing or undue delays.
Para mag-convene ang impeachment court, kailangan may sesyon ang Senado. Para manumpa ang impeachment judges, kailangan may sesyon ang Senado. Bagaman ang trial pwede mag-proceed kahit na recess, tulad ng nangyari kay dating at yumaong Chief Justice Corona, dapat ito'y masimulan, makonvene at mapanumpa ang mga judges kapag may sesyon. So kung may mangyayari mang aksyon o kaganapan kaugnay ito, yan ay mangyayari sa June 2. Pag-resume ng Senado, hindi namin ito mamadalin. Pero hindi rin namin labis na ipagpapaliban ito ng walang dahilan o rason.